Symptoms of industrial sickness. Symptoms of industrial sickness. So first one is persistence of various signals over a long period of time. So last slide we have seen the various signals, right? So those signals have been observed over a long period of time. So next level of signals you will be seeing because of all the impact of the previous signals, the next level of signals will be seen. So it will reflect on the plant performance, capacity utilization, and market trend, etc. So everything will depend on the performance of the company, the performance of individuals in terms of their capacity and the market trend. So what are the symptoms means? Persisting shortage of cash. So you don't have cash to rotate. You don't have cash to pay salaries to your employees. You don't have cash to deposit in the bank. You don't have cash to repay all your dues. So that is going to be very important symptom for industrial sickness. The financial ratio is deteriorating. The current ratio is very poor. The debt to equity ratio is very poor. The net worth is running into negative. So all these financial ratio indicators are having their poorest values. Frequent request to bank for loan. So one bank is denying means you ask the other bank for loan. For settling this loan, you get the loan from next bank. So it keeps on continuing. Okay, so frequently you approach financial institution for the wrong thing you have done. Delay in audit of annual account. So annual accounts have to be audited and you have to have profit. You have to see whether profit or loss has happened and you have to file the income tax and you have to get your refund, right? So that if it delays, it is going to be disadvantages for you. Employees, top and middle level management attitude. So sometimes the employees without the salary, they will not be fully concentrating on their work. So it is their attitude. So you cannot blame them because you have not paid their salary. The top and middle class management, they will not work as you want because you have not paid their salary. Their attitude will matter a lot during this time. Delay or default in payment of state duties. You are not able to pay all the state level taxes. So which is going to be delay or default and heavy dependence in external funds. You don't have internal funds, so you are heavily dependent on the funds from the financial institution or bank, or you go to agents and get loans for a higher interest rate. So these are the symptoms which will clearly say you that industrial sickness has gripped your unit.